Regular use of a string trimmer will require the replacement of its one expendable component, the string. Today, you will learn how to properly replace the string on a Kobalt 24-volt straight cordless string trimmer with the easy-to-use quick reload head. Kobalt string trimmers work best with Kobalt 0.08 of an inch string, but if you cut your own length, 16 feet cuts are a safe bet, especially for thicker strings. Safety is always the primary concern when replacing parts on powerful tools, so make sure to remove the battery before beginning. Push down on the quick reload knob and line up the arrows. Insert the end of your string into the line-in hole as marked, working it through to the other side. Pull your string through until both ends are even in length. Push down on the knob and turn counterclockwise, easily winding up your string. You want the length of each side to approximately meet at the string cutter blade. And that's all there is to it. Now get out there and show some grass who's boss.